Hi, Thomas Walker here, talking about Obsidian. Some of the updates for point 0.6, point 0.5. I have yet to release yet because there are some bugs with multiplayer, so I'm gonna fix those and release that build on IndieDB. So I'm gonna do that. Gonna show you some new UI and some water logic into the game. We implemented drowning. We also implemented, you know, like I said, the new UI here. So you can see both of that simultaneously. It's going to spawn in the world, and the level is obviously a work in progress. So we're going to come over here. We're going to head towards the water. And I'm using Unity Pro water, if anyone's curious of what kind of water I'm using, since it's freely available. So as you can see, the water is implemented. So we'll swivel the camera around. So how drowning works is if the water is above the player's head here, your character will start losing health and drowning. Because since medieval people don't really swim, so that's how we're going to take it. They don't swim. So as you can see, the character is losing health. And another thing we also implemented was a death camera. So we'll also show you that as well in here. When the character dies, it'll switch to a death camera. Because before I just went to blank. So we'll do that now. So we're drawing the character. See, death camera. And the other thing I implemented was, or did differently, was a new map. It is a much bigger map. As you can see, and now it's still a work in progress because right now it's just a copy of the first area, and the first area is still under construction. So when this is done, I'll move on to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and each one will be its own different biome. Like up here, these two will be more the frigid areas, and then over here it could be more islands, since we have an ocean area over here, so we can do some of that work here. So we'll show you some of the islands in the game, and as you can see, there's multiple islands in the game. We're going to be populating these with trees that players can chop down to build fortifications or build siege equipment, ships, whatever they need. Also, there'll be random loot in the game dropped from mobs. So I'm going to be redoing the AI for the game as well, because right now they just swarm you. So we're going to be probably keeping that for like when they lay siege to you, or every once in a while there'll be a random event where they'll just outright attack your base. So every 30 minutes, hour, it'll be just randomized. So those are the updates for the upcoming 1.1.6. So 1.1.5, I'm still in the works because multiplayer wasn't working properly with another developer of mine. So we're still working out the kinks and getting the bugs worked out, and I'll get that pushed on the IndieDB for you guys to download and try out the game. Thank you for watching this and all your support. I look forward to the next update.